Hey, this is Jamie. Today we're going to go over how to tie a half Windsor.
This is the narrow end and this is the wide end. Adjust the size accordingly to ensure you get a perfect fit. Cross the wide end over the narrow end to the left. Bring the wide end over into the neck loop. Pull down the wide end until the knot is tight. Put your fingers in front of the knot and over to the right side. Take the wide loop and go under the necktie, bring it out, and then we would stick the wide end inside the opening that we left, and we drag it down, pull it all the way down, with some adjustments as you need it. Then we would hold on to the narrow end, push onto the knot, and make adjustments from there on out. Looking from a different angle, you take the wide end, the loop neck, and then push it down towards the loop opening that we had, and then make some adjustments. Hold on to the narrow end and then push up the knot with your left hand and make adjustments. Pop your collar, adjust it, make sure you're looking good, press it down, fix all the creases. There you go. Finally, we have a half Windsor. Give yourself a thumbs up. Good job.